Manufacturers, we're all faced with very similar workforce challenges in this day and age. And as manufacturers, we've got to remain competitive in the marketplace.
The great thing about the Registered Apprenticeship Program is, as the manufacturer, you get to design the program to fit the requirements that you need, and you're getting employees almost immediately.
We hear from manufacturers all the time that they just want to have the people with the right skills and not just theoretical knowledge. This program allows the employees to learn by doing.
They're learning hands-on and from mentors that have been welding for 10, 25, 30 years.
It's rewarding in itself when you help somebody get over that learning curve, and then you see that they actually have learned something. You know, it's rewarding.
The reason this apprenticeship program can be so appealing to young people is because they're making money while they're working, they're getting a credential, and they've got a future set up for them with a company that is invested with them and that they're getting invested with.
92% of apprentices stay with a company 2 years post their training completion, and then they gain a national certificate from the Department of Labour, which is something that is with them through their entire career.
It's been a wonderful program because they get a one-on-one instructor, as well as we have a partnership with Tulsa Technology Center, and they provide us with a welding trainer and inspector.
They can come in and have a mentor right away. It gets them to where they get confidence in their welding, and then by the time they exit the apprentice program, they're 100% confident in what they're doing. They know our parts. They know they already made mistakes and they're working on them, but they have a mentor with them at all times.
You have local and statewide resources at your fingertips. The Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance comes alongside you to help design the program to fit your specific needs.
It really benefits you because it can help you retain the employees, and you retain them because you're creating a training program for them through the apprenticeship.
As we progress and people phase out and retire, you know, it does a great job of bringing these young talent where they can come in, once again, feel comfortable and start working and work on our parts and be 100% ready to go.